When I come back home to Florida now, my mother got diagnosed with cancer like the following month. When she get diagnosed with cancer the following month, she end up starting to deteriorate and end up dying within 9 months.
Frig.
So all of this started. So you can, the chain reaction of everything happening so fast.
Mm-hmm.
You know what I mean? I just stop thinking about music. After she died, I stop thinking about music for about a good 3 years.
Okay.
Now I'm fully in the street now of Florida. I part some Yankee Americans that in the street because I'm so fed up and so mad that my mother dead. And you see me, I say, nothing, me not do no music thing. You understand me?
It's just straight street because remember earlier you said your father died earlier.
Yes.
Your mom died. You moved from Brooklyn to Florida. It's almost like you're in the middle of nowhere.
Why?
Almost.
Yeah, why me? Whatever.
Mm-hmm.
So after that, now about 3 years passed, Tony Matterhorn moves to Florida.
Okay.
So when Tony Matterhorn moved to Florida, he had just left King Addies at the time, and he went on his own, and he moved to Florida. Now, we and Matterhorn was cool from Brooklyn days, cause when he come to New York and start play Addies, after a while, we and him became so cool, like, cause me start go to the dance in New York, where Addies are play upon from early, till me end up start carry all Addies record box him in a dance. You understand me? I said to you, so me and Matterhorn was cool.
Yeah.
So when he moved to Florida now, and the first dance me did see him on a flyer now, me got a dance now, me and my virgin them. And me the teenage at the time, and me do me look at hospital and things. So me have a little money and me feel like me good and me feel like me this and me that. So me got a dance. When I got a dance now, I see Matterhorn see me. Him see me with the virgin them who me a parried. And like, me take him number, whatever in terms of I call him next day. So I call him next day and come check him. And like, him a live a murmur or whatever. We are reason and whatever. And like, what's the dog, the music? Like, why you don't stop the music? I'm telling you, mother dead and whatever. And I say, yeah, but that don't mean not better. Jump back in the music, man. Go back on the music thing. I'm listening to him and then now, my sister, Fire baby father, my niece's father, he passed away last year. Rest in peace, Penny. He had a sound system in Florida. Okay. And me used to go over Theme House every day. So when me used to go over him house now, we start dabble back into the music. Then I start play about music of Florida. And I start play upon theme song, which is called Capricorn song.
Capricorn, okay.
So that's the first song I start play back. And that's the first song I play of Florida.
Yeah. And was that more juggling or more clash?
It was a juggling and a clash song, but a more smaller song, than a innocent or, you know what I'm saying? But it was a real bad song. You know what I mean? Bad song. Bad song. You know what I mean?
Remember what year you started playing Capricorn?
It had to be in the realms of like a 97, I think. Like a 97 to about 99, I think.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.